Today on Ramblin' Backroads, Ramblin' Raw, Backroad Bow, and the Silverado shop truck. 2007 classic Silverado. Classic it is. It has the classic rust in the rockers. It has the classic rust around the rear wheel well. It has the classic one missing center cap. But it has 75%, that's a C. It's passable. I like it. It has the classic broken tailgate handle. That's okay. It's anti-theft. It is currently missing a bumper. I do have one. The one that was on it, if you don't recall, was basically 50% there. 50% failing. I got rid of it. I have a bumper to put on it. We're going to do that soon. But first, we need to give it a bath, because it's gross. $1 bill. Cha-ching. Big spender. It looks so much better already. I can see myself. More classic options we have. The falling headliner. And the one driving light. But despite all the Chevrolet character that it has, it is a really good truck. My cousin bought it new in 2007. Thus, I even have the original window sticker that says 21 on the highway. And it probably has never had a tune-up. It could use a set of plugs and wires. But the first 100 miles or so that I've driven it, I got right at 20 out of it still, so that's pretty good. And it's actually really nice inside. It does have the cloth. It does have cruise control. Dash is good. Seats are good. It's got the vinyl floor. It's got the workout windows. It's got the little extended visor things that I don't think were an option, but they are neat. AC, CD player, yeah, pretty basic, but it's in good shape. For all you Dodge guys out there, the dash is nice. Honestly, if it wasn't for the Kansas City salt and rust, this is a really nice little truck. It's got all of the original stuff in here. It is the classic. Because 07 was the year of the new body style. This is not the new body style, as you may have noticed. Life hack, 1,675,421. Get Tic Tacs. Eat Tic Tac. Wash it down with Sonic water. Tastes like Kool-Aid. I'm going to dig out some stuff and look for some paint, because the wheels on this are just painted steel. They look terrible. It's a 15-year-old drug with painted steel wheels. It's to be expected. But we're doing this on a budget. So I'm painting them a very special color that I haven't found yet. I'm going to go look at my paint shelf and we're going to pick something. Hopefully I have something other than yellow or pink or bright green. I am out of what I typically use, and they did not have any of what I typically use. So she got new finish, the only thing they had. But this is nostalgic. I used this ages and ages and ages ago when I was a wee little lad. And I don't think the bottle has changed at all. But it's good enough for this. Let's polish. We'll give you a better view of this. Look at this. Look how dull this is. It's not like the paint's not hurt. It's just really dull. From sun UV rays, yo. Sealed. Unsealed. And if any of you are professional detailers out there, you're not going to learn anything from this, because we're not doing that much. We're polishing it. We're making it look better. It's going to be a driver. We're going to put miles on it. This is what he gets.
Are you going to fold it into a swan? Looks like you're folding it into a swan.
I feel sorry for whatever swan looks like that. Do a little dab, like a big bird flew over. So rubbing it in, doing circles. Give you a little preview of what it's going to look like. Say this is not wax.
Polish.
Polish. No wax.
Yeah.
Oxidation.
Look how shiny. Look at that. You can see the ceiling.
Not my other stuff. But this is okay. It is not bad.
What?
Look at that shine. Black. Meh. Black. Meh. Hey Rod, do you know how to tell if it has a good shine job on it?
No, how?
Boom. Just like that.
What?
Woo! Woo!
Alright, get back to work.
Woo! Outside is getting clean. Hello. Gonna scrub the door sills, work our way in. It's real important to get inside the door sills, because if you don't, they're gonna be dirty. So we use this on the last thing that we cleaned. Heard a lot of good things about it, and I was not impressed. But I have a whole bottle, so I'm gonna try it again. Just wiping the dirt off. Look at that. Supposed to just be able to wipe it on. I think it's better than last time. We looked for wheel paint. I was going to do gray, or like a darker charcoal, dark gray, not silver. But we have black. It's like all we have. So, black it is. And there's a lot that goes into it. Not really. It's not a lot. You sand it. You make it smooth. You prime it. If it's bare metal, you etch it. You trim it. You paint. You watch for overspray. Tape off, like, cover the tire. Cover the paint. Cover the rust. You know. Or you have shop nights where it's nice out and you're just having fun. Let's do it. You know what? It's not great, but it's better. I haven't edged it or anything. It's just freehand. So, not good, but better, you know? Not bad for a couple of hours. Wash, polish, wipe down the inside, do a temporary coat on the wheels. Tires are pretty good on it, but I've got a set of 10 plies lined up because this is a truck. It's a shop truck. It's a work truck, and we're going to drive it and use it. It's going to see back roads. So we need something a little more than 4 plies on it. So that's going to happen soon, and the bumper has to go back on. But it's a start. That is it for this video. Thank you for joining. Until next time, get out, drive some back roads, do something new, and be good to one another, and we will catch you on down the road. Bye.